If you're trading gold with fixed lot, I prepared for you a simple manual that will help you to calculate the best lot size for your trading account quickly and easily. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. First, find the last 10 trades that you took on gold. The more, the better. What you should do, you should open the price chart of gold and you should draw at least the last 10 trades that you took. And you should strictly draw the stop loss of each trade and the take profit. Measure the stop losses of all the trades in pips. Measure the stop losses of the trades that you took one after another. And if you're wondering how to measure the stop loss of your trades, on TradingView there's the measurement tool. You click it and you simply measure the pip value of your stop loss in pips. Find the trade with the biggest stop loss. Analyze the stop losses of all your trades and find the trade with the biggest stop loss. The pip value of the stop loss will be very important. Open the position size calculator. I recommend using the position size calculator on my FXbook website. It is free and it is very easy to use. Fill all the empty fields. In account size, input the size of your trading account. Let's take $10,000 for the sake of the example. The risk ratio should strictly be 1.5%. And stop loss in pips, here we should input our biggest stop loss. It is 680 pips. And we click calculate. Here will be your best fixed lot for your gold trades. The idea is that your maximum loss should not exceed 1.5% of your trading account, while the average loss should be around 1%. Traders, let me know in the comment section what do you want to learn in the next video. Also, traders, do not forget to watch my other videos.